In this video, we're going to show you how to format your laptop or your PC for Windows 11. So step one is type and search reset this PC in the Windows search bar and then click open. Step two is in the reset this PC field, click reset PC. Step three, select keep my files. Step four, select local reinstall. Take note that if you cannot reinstall Windows via local reinstall or any errors occur, you are able to choose cloud download to install your Windows, and your computer needs to be in an available internet environment for cloud download, meaning you need to have your internet connected as you do this. After that, step five, click change settings. Step six, set the restore apps and settings which came with this PC option as yes, then select confirm. Another note that you need to have is if your computer is with a built-in Windows operating system, it will remove all ASUS or other apps that came pre-installed with your laptop or your computer. So just keep in mind. Step 7, confirm the settings are correct and select next. Step 8, you may receive the following notification. Select next to continue the reset process. Step 9, click view apps that will be removed. Step 10, all your applications will be removed after resetting the computer. The following apps that cannot be reinstalled from Microsoft Store, so you will need to reinstall these apps from the web or installation disk manually. And last step is to select reset to start reinstall Windows 11, and your computer will restart after its reinstallation is completed. Take note that please make sure that your AC adapter is connected during the reset process if you're using a laptop, and make sure that you have a power delay just in case an outage happens for some reason as you are doing this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon. See you on the next one.